Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to find trending shorts on YouTube. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube, open it, and after that go and click on shorts in the bottom menu, and after that stop that video, and as you can see there is an option on the top right of the screen called trends. You have just to click on it and it will give you the trending videos divided by topics. You can find a lot of trending videos by channels, by topics, etc. And you can watch them or maybe inspire some ideas from them. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our video, to like it, and see you in the next one.